Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Sama semua tu. Ya, korang je. Okay, cakap.
Okay. We will want to interview some who understand the importance of having healthy insurance cover and to encourage them to take steps to protect their healthy and financial well-being. Okay, so our question is first, can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, first of all, thank you for inviting me here to brief about some medical insurance has for youngsters. So first of all, my name is Muhammad Haziq bin Mazlan. So I am 27 years old and I live in KL. So right now I do I'm a life planner at AIA Insurance Company. So I'm working at Kuala Lumpur right now. My agency name is Arkan Advisory. So I am under Arkan Advisory agency lah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So the next question is, what is your strategies to pursue your client to take on your medical insurance?
Okay. So technically, what I do first thing is when I got leads, so technically I will contact them, I will call, and then I will set an appointment with them. So if they agree with my plan, and then I go for the appointment, and then I will like bring a pen and then a small paper, and then I will tell them, I will tell them a story. What is insurance? I will make them understand first what is the meaning of insurance, because insurance has like so many meanings. Like they have like life insurance, medical insurance. You can do investment in insurance, so something like that.
So we proceed to the next question.
All right.
As we know, the client has zero knowledge about the insurance. Can you explain more about how client understand the process?
Okay, so technically, what I do is I will show them step lah. I will show them step by step. Like, if for example, if any one of my client had an accident or they're not feeling well, they want to use a medical card or wants to admit in a hospital, so I will make sure that they will contact me first to let me know, because I have to check first their waiting period. So because I have to know the disease that my client diagnosed, either they can use it or not. Okay, so they have to contact me first. So for the next step, I will tell them the process of how to admit in a hospital. So from the beginning until my client get into the hospital, I will tell them, I will call them to assist them.
You handle it yourself?
Yeah, I will handle.
Okay. What is the feedback of your family about medical insurance?
Terrible. Okay, so technically my background, both of my parents are working. They were working with TMB. So as you know, TMB for new baby. I mean, what do you call untuk a baby for old generation lah? New baby, bukan new baby lah. Newborn lah.
Newborn baby.
Newborn kita kan. Lama punya lah, boomers.
Yes.
Baby boomers. Baby boomers. So macam, so baby boomers, because some companies, they already have their own medical insurance. For example, TMB. So technically my parents, they already have insurance until for the rest of their life.
Yes.
So they don't believe like this kind of insurance like AIA ke Prudential, Etika, and so on. So that's why they wanted me to working at TMB, because of the benefits of the insurance. But right now they don't have that benefits anymore until you age 55, 50, and then you won't get that benefits anymore lah. That medicals.
Like last time, for the rest of
For old boomer only. Yang for new generation.
for right now, until there's a limit
Yes, I think last time was 1992, 1994. That was last. Okay. So, am I answering your questions?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, next.
We will proceed, my friends. Okay. How does this insurance help client in any way in cases of like damages or losses of property, such as like accidents or natural disasters that is happening in Indonesia?
For me, insurance helps a lot. I mean, insurance. The purpose of insurance is to protect your property, is to protect your life and protect your. Technically, we call it as a saving lah. Our saving. So insurance. That is the purpose of insurance lah. We protect our income, so that if anything happen, like if anything damage happen to us, like if your house like got burned or you got into accident, so you have insurance that will cover you in the future.
So basically, like insurance is like a safety net.
Yes,
for
true.
our life lah.
Yes, betul. Yeah, correct.
Next question. Did you take any medical insurance in your early 20s? Also, why did you took it?
In my early 20s, I don't take any insurance because, as I said before, my parents already got insurance. So technically, the companies already covered for all the family members. Also, other than that, in my early 20s, I don't have any insurance because I don't have. I don't have money to pay for my insurance because for that time I'm still studying, so
It's kind of hard.
Yeah. It's kind of hard. I don't want to add any commitment, so I just want to focus on my study and I don't want to get any extra job. So I don't have any insurance in my 20s.
Commitments to your life lah.
Yes, true.
Do you believe is it important now for them to take in the early stages of 20s?
Yeah, it is very important because we don't know when we got sick. For example, like it is normal to get like fever, stomach ache. Like what happens if you got sick, like something like related with your internal body? So you need to do an operation. You must got into the hospital. I mean, swasta hospital. So it is very important because the cost of medication right now is very high.
Expensive.
Yeah, it's very expensive. The inflation of the inflation every year at hospital, I think about 12% per year.
How much does a common plan covers you? I mean, in terms of the fees.
I mean the fees in the hospital.
Yeah, how much does the common plan covers you?
Oh, right now I'm taking the medium one plan, which is cover. It is enough, 1 million and above lah, 1 million and above coverage for myself. So I just took it like 2 years ago. So alhamdulillah, I can pay and I have commitment now.
So
So
like the coverage 1 million, like per year only?
yes, per year. Yeah, it's an annual limit. Yeah. So it is very important to take insurance while you are still young because we know that when we are young we got no any sick, right? But we don't expect when we will get that. For example, I give you my clients. Recently, he took a medical card on 5 May 2022.
What age during that time?
He is 40 years old.
40 years old.
Yes, and then after 5 months, he lost appetite. He always hitam.
Pain.
He always faint sometimes, and then he went to clinic and check, and doctor detects that he got abnormal blood, and then he go to the hospital, make a medical checkup, and diagnosed as acute myeloid leukemia,
Oh,
cancer. So it's scary.
Yeah, it's scary.
I'm handling that case right now, so I'm hoping, yeah.
they will be fine.
So he's
Yeah.
taking his insurance at age 45. His first
His first medical insurance. Yeah, he's working with government. You know what? Government people, they're very hard to take insurance because government already provide to them, but they don't know that the medical actually is not enough. It's not enough.
For the next question, how do you see insurance will grow in future, especially in medical terms?
How do I see insurance grow in the future? I think insurance will be always grow in the future because people born every day. I mean, every day always have a newborn. So in the future, insurance will be always grow because everyone needs insurance, no matter what, no matter how old they are right now. Maybe right now, if you are in 20s, maybe you think insurance is not important right now because you don't see that
Any consequences?
yes, you don't see any consequences. But maybe in the future, if you having a family, you have a son, you have you with your children and your wife, so maybe at that time you will buy an insurance to protect your loved one, your family, to protect your income. So yes, medical insurance will be always grow, and it will never stop because it is very important because we are Malaysian, we are not rich. Random.
Last but not least, for the last questions, how can we make medical insurance more accessible and affordable for the young generation like us, especially?
Okay, actually, insurance have a lot of plans that follow your age. If you take insurance at early age, your price will be very affordable and very cheap lah. If you take at a very old age, then your price will be very expensive.
So the best, like, we need to take insurance as early as we could, like.
Yes, because for example, I give you like hibah. You know what is hibah, right? Hibah is like if someone you love and then that someone you love is gone, and then you will get money from that person lah because he or she buy a hibah. And then for example, if you take hibah at early age, the price will be very cheap. For example, for AIA, for 50,000, some covered, only cost like 30 ringgit, 40 ringgit per month, and the price will be the same until your age reach 70 years old.
Only start 70,
until 70.
Until your age is 70.
then the price will increase a bit.
No, the plan will be stopped.
Oh, that's
So
that's the limit,
yes, it will protect you until your age is 70 because ratio say that people usually die at the age of 65 to 70 lah. Okay, so let's say for example I say if you take hibah early, so the price really cheap. For example, if 50,000 some extra hibah, the price is 45 ringgit. So you buy that at age, for example 25. So you pay 45 ringgit, maintain
25 until 70.
until your age 70. Okay, so that's affordable lah for young people who have like who wants to buy insurance but got no money. I mean, at least take any cheapest insurance also okay.
The cheapest plan, lah.
The cheapest plan also okay. As long as we have. Yeah.
That's new info to me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's it.
Alright.
Anything else?
I think that's all.
That's all from us. Thank you for your answering our questions. From all us around. Thank you for this interview.
Alright. You're welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.